Hello friends, welcome back to our Press Computer YouTube. Uh, Tamil Nadu government has been released this notification for updated vacancy of 483. 1483. Post name is Panchayat Secretary. यहाँ पे here you can see and 1483 post. Salary will be 15,900 to 50,400 pay level. Job location, if you'll see Tamil Nadu, and application is started already, and till the 9th November you can apply as soon as possible. Before 9th November you have to apply. Tamil Nadu Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Department has been released this notification updated 1483 post. So friends, if you are really interested, apply as soon as possible before 9th November. Few details we are going to see about this one, criteria and eligibility, and we are going to see about the according to category in district wise number of vacancies and things. So let us begin. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. So friends, if we'll see district wise vacancy, if we'll see here, uh, area rural, 33 post is there, and here 52, Coimbatore 14, and Kudalore 37, Dharampuri 21, Dindigal 39 post, and next if we'll see 26 and 33 and 55, and Kanyakumari 30, and Karur 32, Krishnagiri 50, post, Madurai 69 and 31, 18, and you can see all all districts, Salem 54, and Sivanganai and Theni 20, yeah, you can see Theni, and 91, 30, all district is there, and according which is your district name, you can check it from here. If we'll see here, see all districts having uh, Tirupur 19 post is there, and Trivellur 88 post, and here 69, Trivellur 38, Vellore 26, Vellore, and total number of vacancies if we'll talk about, and 4,483 post is there. Qualification, what should be a qualification? Candidate must have passed 10th standard or required from recognized board, and the candidate must have studies Tamil as subject up to the 8th standard. So if you have to study Tamil subject at least at the standard. Age limit, if we'll talk about age limit, the minimum 18 to 30 to for general category. According to category wise, the age limit has been given here. The 18 to 34, 37, For ST category 18 to 37, and for ex-servicemen 50 till 50 you can apply, and ex-servicemen for station category 55 age limit is there. So hope all the details has been covered in this video. If you have kind of query, please comment us and will be reply soon, as soon as possible. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and share. And thank you for watching. We'll meet again with a new video, new update and updated vacancy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.